Started to apply the sealer binder on the walls as well. As you can see, they're very bad condition. The last time the house was painted was when it was built, and the owners tried to do a bit of a work, but not too much. It was too hard for them. Apart from that, this is like first time to do repainting on this house, so the sealer binder is a must. There's a lot of stains and bits and pieces that need to be issued by applying the sealer binder, like these. When you sand off the gyprock, the yellow comes from the paper, and if you apply the acrylic paint, that yellow will come through. This is the stain blocker I'm using. It's a really good product. It's from Dulux Precision. It dries very quickly, which makes the job a lot easier. I highly recommend it. This is going to be our first coat of ceiling flat paint on the ceiling. As you can see, I applied the sealer binder on the ceiling. The reason why is because it's a very old house, and this yellow sort of come through if you apply any acrylic before you're applying sealer binder. That's why we seal all the stains and everything, so the ceiling comes up all white and everywhere it's going to look the same. Just started cutting in the walls, so this is going to be the first coat of cutting in. I'm using Dulux Wash&WEAR low sheen on this one, Hog's bristle quarter. So I'm gonna do 2 times cutting in before we start rolling the walls. Just starting a second coat of cutting in, and with this cutting in will be finished, so everything's gonna be ready for applying first coat of top coat. Starting rolling walls using 11mm nap sleeve and the rotor coater frame. So we're gonna do 1 coat of top coat now, and after that I'll do another coat, and that will be it for this job.
Thank you for watching, guys. Just if you want, like, subscribe and share. Cheers.